Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to be teaching you how to make buttons. If you notice when you go to the website, you see when you want to click something it appears like this, and when you hover over it, it changes. So I'm going to be teaching you a full tutorial on it in this video. Let's go. So now the first step is to create a folder. We are creating a folder on desktop. So let's name it HTML and CSS tutorial. Now let's open our VS Code. That's our Visual Studio Code. In the Visual Studio Code, we are going to open the folder there. Select our folder. We are going to create a new file under the folder. For this video, we are going to name it buttons.html. Anytime you create a new file, make sure you don't forget to add your .html. That's it. So now let's open into our default browser with Google Chrome. You can see how it appears, but it's black since we've not started anything on that. So now we're going to start with our doc type HTML and then HTML. Under the HTML we have two basic code. That's the head and the body. The body is the feature you can see on the website. While the head is what you cannot really see, but you can see the function. So the title, that's for the video. Let's name it button tutorial. Just make sure you save it here first before you refresh in your browser. You can see I change this to button tutorial. Let's move to the body. We are creating a button, remember. So you write the code button with your less than and greater sign there, right? Like you can use any button, you can use subscribe and go. You can see the way it appeared. So that's the way a button looks like. So the next thing remaining for us to style it one by one. So we are going to use the style. So I'm putting the style in the head because we are only seeing the function of it. So to style it, we have to link it. We link it to the class. So that, and then you write your dot with what you linked there with it. You link to the right button. And you don't forget to do that in bracket side. So now let's increase the width. So let's use 40 pixels first to see how it looks. Okay, save it. So it's wide. Let's reduce it to 100 pixels. Let's see wide. Let's draw our height. So you can just put any number of your choice. But remember that after each thing you do that, don't forget to put your semicolon. So after the width and the height, let's change the color. Let's make it white. So you can notice that it changed to white there. The black light changed to white. So you can change the color. For this video we are using blue. That looks pretty good. Let's change the background color right now. Let's change it to white. So that's how it looks. So you write your HTML code and you style with CSS one by one. So the style is the code for the CSS, and that's what you are doing to style it one by one. So you use border color to change the border. You can notice that the border is kind of thick and is not uniform. So let's make it okay. I want the color to be perfect. You can see the way it is now. the shade is darker than the other. Let's continue styling. First, the border radius is how you want it to be curved. So you notice that the edges are no more pointed. You notice that the border is not uniform. It kind of a part is thicker than the other. So we are going to style it to be solid so it can all be uniform. You can see that it's now the same. And so now we've done the button styling. Let's do the over. And don't add don't put space in between, otherwise it won't function. So what you just need to do is to add your column that your over and the bracket. So you make our over white. When the cursor goes on it, you notice that it changes the color to white. So let's make our background color blue. We've copied it and pasted it in. You see? Very over, but it's too fast. Let's change the transition. Transition will make it more slower. Transition. Let's make it in 1 second. It's too slow. Let's reduce it a bit to 0.6. It's too slow. You want it to be small, but not so much zero. I think it's pretty good. So now let's do the active. The active is that when you click on it, not when you over it. When you click on it, what happens? Like button, then active. It's your bracket. So when you click on it, you want it to be lighter, the background color of the over to be lighter. Let me try. Let's save it. You see, when I clicked on it, it became lighter. So thanks. So that's all for this video. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe. Very well. And then lastly, we're gonna change the cursor to pointer. Now when we over it, it changes. You notice that to that pointer. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. And keep on tuned for more. Thank you.